Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to log out your Instagram account from your PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to log out from your Instagram account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser, just go for search and search for Instagram. And here you must see at this tab interface. Now if you want to log out from your account, just click on this more option or the three horizontal lines in the bottom left. Just click on this and then click on log out. And once you have log out, it will log out your account. So if you want to log in with a different account, just click on use another profile here, and here you have to enter the mobile number or mail address and then your password, and after that your new account will be logged in. If you want to log into your previous account, just click here. If your account password and email address was saved, just click on that, and here you must have to enter your PIN and then click on login, so your account will be re-logged into your PC or your laptop. So in this way you can easily log in or log out from your Instagram account on PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.